Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert dashboard R in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly in this video I'll show that insert dashboard R in Microsoft Word. Now going to the design mode option. Now for click, then click for the page border option. Then select from the style option. Now choose a dash border. Now for click, then click for the widget option, then click for the 650. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show insert dash border in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.